So today I actually want to share with you a little tool, a little secret tool that I wish I had when I started my event planning business. And most importantly, I'm going to share a new feature that this tool launched this year that's going to help you take your event planning business marketing to the next level. Stay tuned for this one. Hi, I'm Jody-Ann, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them book more clients and double their revenue. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button right now so that you don't miss my weekly tip videos on how you can grow your event planning business. So if you're dying of excitement, you're probably wondering, what's my secret little tool? Well, that tool is called Aisle Planner. And Aisle Planner is actually an event planning management business tool. So it helps you to organize the business and planning side of your event planning business. And I might be a little biased because I really like this tool, but Aisle Planner is honestly one of the best tools on the market that I found so far. And I've reviewed a couple of them. I've actually gone through and reviewed quite a few before I chose Aisle Planner. So I've looked at Aisle Planner, I've looked at Honeybook, I've looked at Dosado, I've actually looked at 17 Hats, I've looked at a lot of them. And in terms of event planning and wedding planning, Aisle Planner was definitely the best one out of all of them. And here's why I really like Aisle Planner. Not only did it have a lot of the features that all the others had, in fact, it had more, but it had an amazingly visual component to it. It is very pretty, and it includes a client portal that allows your clients to also see what you're seeing, to take part in the planning process, to put some transparency in the process, right? So your clients can actually join you. They can see what you've worked on. They can see a list of your to-dos. They can see what's been completed. You can also share storyboards with your clients. Now, I don't know about you, but that's amazing, right? Previously, you're using maybe Pinterest or another program to do this. You can do this all in Aisle Planner. And I'm about to blow your mind because in Aisle Planner, you can also do your contracts. You can do your invoicing. You can set up all your customers. So you can have different customers, and your customers can have a login through your website. Now, I'm not even going to go into details about all the other things that Aisle Planner can do, such as helping you sell quotes and proposals and everything else. In fact, what I really want to focus on is the new feature that Aisle Planner has that I think will help you up-level your marketing as a wedding planner and an event planner. So here's what it is. Aisle Planner released a new feature this year, and that feature is a vendor's marketplace. Say what? No, but what they really introduced is a vendor's marketplace where clients or potential customers can come to the marketplace and search and find you. So right there, we moved from what I like to call interruption marketing, and no, I did not invent that term, but they're moving from interruption marketing to actually a marketing platform where customers are coming to you. So it's permission marketing, right? They're coming to you and seeking the information. That's the best type of marketing there is. So in this marketplace, customers can search for you. And if you are already using the Aisle Planner tool, here's what that means. That means that all of your information will be on there. So all your pretty photos from your clients and all your boards will be on Aisle Planner. And your lead generation or lead capture, so how you collect potential customers' information so that you can follow up with them and see what's going on, will be embedded in the marketplace. So a customer can easily just complete that form to get more information and to be considered as one of your leads. So you can keep following up to get that sale. Here's the other thing. If you've worked with clients on Aisle Planner, they've probably left you reviews. If you've worked with other potential partners, or you've worked with, collaborated maybe with a florist or a venue, and they've left you any feedback, you can also have that shown in the marketplace. This means that you don't have to do anything besides use Aisle Planner, and they're advertise and everything for you on the marketplace. So I'm going to outline for you now 5 ways that you can actually use this new vendor marketplace to truly market your business. So the first one is that you can create a lead manager. So you can create a lead form where customers can fill in their information, and you can link it to your Aisle Planner inspiration and other information so that customers can just submit their information over to you. The second thing is that you can show off your portfolio. So if you've worked with clients on Aisle Planner and you have photos from past events and any other type of photos to share, you can actually just share that in the marketplace directly from your Aisle Planner profile. Here's number 3. Because your Aisle Planner account is already linked to your lead management tools, this means that you can easily follow up with customers because chances are they also have an account on Aisle Planner and you have all their information. I don't know about you, but if it's one thing I hate is when customers come to your website, they fill in a contact form, or they just grab your email, they send your email, and they never send enough information. So you might respond trying to get more information and you never hear back from them. This is reduced when Aisle Planner has the lead management on the site because you get all their information right away, which makes it easier for you to follow up and to ensure that you're getting booked. Tip number 4, and this is actually my favorite one, and that's because I'm a numbers gal and I love numbers. I love anything where I can see how well I'm doing and I know exactly what's working and what isn't. And that's what they allow you to do. So this new marketplace feature also has analytics, which means that you can see exactly how well you're doing in the marketplace, how many visits you're getting, and what the return is like. So how many bookings are you making from people who have followed up with you or have come through some sort of a lead management process, and how many of those lead to a booking? You can track that. You can see what's working and you can make changes as you go along. I don't know about you, but I love that. As I said, I'm all about the numbers because the numbers are what helps you to make changes. And of course, number 5 that I mentioned earlier is social proof. So social proof is really what helps you to get booked because when customers are not familiar with you, they rely heavily on past reviews and feedback to help them make that decision. So having where your reviews and feedback can be posted on your profiles to the marketplace from your Aisle Planner account is amazing. This means that customers can see exactly what others thought of you and if they loved your work. And this will help them to make that decision even faster to ensure that they're booking you. Now, as a bonus, of course, your girl went and hooked you up, but I have something a little bit special for you. So you can sign up, and I've placed the link below, to Aisle Planner for a 30-day free trial. This is your opportunity to log into the account and see exactly what I'm talking about, play around with the platform, and just try it out. When you log in, they actually give you kind of a starter profile where you have a sample event with a sample couple, and you can see how that process goes along. You can make changes, you can play around, you can delete items, you can do everything to ensure that it's the best platform for you and that it works for your purposes. Now, once your trial is over, the link that I'm providing below gives you, wait for it, 25% off the first 3 months if you sign up for Aisle Planner. That's right, 25% off for the first 3 months. So you get to try it out for 3 months at a discounted rate to see how well you really like the features. And I don't know about you, but that's the best way to try something out. You get it at a reduced price, you see what it's like, and if it's not for you, it's not, but I promise chances are you're gonna love it because I did. And as I said, I tried so many platforms before I got to this one, and I'm absolutely in love with Aisle Planner. Here's one feature that blew me out of the water. So when I was looking around at all these different platforms, one of the things that I found was that I reached out to a lot of these companies, I signed up for the free trials, and I tested it out with an unbiased view. Here's the difference with Aisle Planner. When I reached out to Aisle Planner is actually ran by a pretty small team. The owner was an event planner, believe it or not, and still is. She still is an event planner. And because of that, she's able to bring a unique insight to the program, to the platform, that a lot of other software don't really see, right? So I see a lot of software and they're saying, I am for creative professionals, but not everyone knows what that means, right? Because they could be a photographer or they could be another type of creative. So what you're looking for in terms of being a wedding planner or an event planner is a little bit different. And she brought that exact insight to the platform, which I absolutely love. The other thing too is she's still working in the business. So when you call, you can actually speak to her. And I love that small family feeling. I love the opportunity to feel like you know the person you're talking to. So if you run into an issue and you have a question about the software, you can actually reach out and you have someone there that you know cares. Unlike when you're dealing with some of these companies that are larger and it's really just a team of programmers. So you're sending in tickets or you're dealing with chatbots, and chances are you're waiting, your question is not quite getting answered. And if you're like me, I'm kind of impatient. So sometimes I get frustrated and I close that window and my question has still not been answered. But you won't have that with Owl Planner, I promise you. I was really blown away by the experience that they provided. So definitely check out my link below. Sign up for the free trial. And if you love it, 25% off your first 3 months if you sign up through the subscription. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button to get more weekly tip videos like this one.